Native Americans had ducks, both through hunting wild species and, in Mesoamerica and South America, by domesticating the Muscovy duck. Ducks were an important source of food, feathers, and spiritual symbolism for many indigenous cultures across the Americas. Hunting wild ducks. Native Americans developed sophisticated methods for hunting wild ducks and other waterfowl, which were a vital food source, especially during seasonal migrations. Some of the most compelling evidence of Native American duck hunting is the discovery of 2,000-year-old duck decoys in Nevada's Lovelock Cave. These decoys were crafted from reeds, tools, and duck feathers to lure canvasbacks and other species within hunting range. Hunters used a variety of clever techniques, such as hiding under floating vegetation to get close to the birds. Hunting tools included nets, bows and arrows, spears, and bolas. Some arrows were designed with blunted ends for hunting small birds. Indigenous peoples in Mesoamerica, present-day Mexico and Central America, and South America domesticated the Muscovy duck long before European contact. The modern domestic Muscovy duck originated from its wild ancestor in Central and South America. European explorers encountered the domesticated Muscovy duck during their voyages and brought it back to Europe in the early 16th century. Ducks provided Native American cultures with more than just food. Duck meat was roasted, boiled, and made into stews, often served with other native foods like wild rice. Fat was rendered for cooking and preservation, and eggs were also gathered and eaten. Feathers were used to fletch arrows, stuff pillows, and create decorative items and ceremonial clothing. In Aztec culture, Muscovy duck feathers were made into cloaks worn by rulers. In some traditions, ducks served as symbols or spirit animals. For example, some Native American traditions saw ducks as messengers between the earth and water, representing cooperation and balance. In Native American cultures, the duck's cultural and spiritual significance is tied to its relationship with water and its ability to traverse land, water, and air. This connection often symbolizes adaptability, balance, and intuition. However, interpretations vary widely between tribes, and the duck's specific meaning is unique to each tradition. A symbol of resilience, adaptability, and serenity. In many Native American traditions, ducks appear in creation myths, playing a vital role in forming the world. For Crow Nation, the story tells of Coyote sending a duck to the bottom of the sea to retrieve Earth, which Coyote then used to create the world. In Arctic peoples, diving ducks and other diving birds are believed to possess special powers and often appear in stories where they can transform into human form. Different tribes across North America incorporated the duck into their cultural and spiritual practices in various ways. Cree, Attawapiskat, and Red Earth. The Attawapiskat Cree traditionally